Hi guys, me here, Mike Taffer. I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly knife out of Legos.
Oh god, no, not the video again. Oh no!
If you guys have freaking... If you guys have heard this guy's voice, he is Rated Micro B 39. I actually said Rated Micro B. How proud of you, Army. To make this, you will need two 1x3s, two 1x6s, flats, four 1x4s, flats, three 1x7s, looks like this, and then three of these studs that go inside here, then three these with the little stud. It has to have a hole in the back. If it doesn't, it will not work. First get a 1x3. Will be one of these, or all three of them. Then just start putting them on top. Like that. Then that. Then put the freaking last one. The last one is a little hard to put, but like this. After that, you want to get the other freaking 1x3. Put it in the front. It looks something like this. Then get two of these. Then put one of these the very top, like this. And it has to be thin so it could still go out like that. Then after that, you want to get it, stick it in the holes on the back like this. Like that. Then, the other one, do the same thing. So you got this type of thing. That. And get the other one. And then put it in. Sorry, I'm playing Mitosis. You just put this in there, like this. You have one sticking out. Then you just want to put this in there. There, so it's this. This is pretty much the whole thing. You can leave it like this, or put some design to it. Well, these 1x6s, and just slap them on. Like this. Slap them on. There, like that. Then you want to get the other one and put it on this. Like that. Then you got this. Come on, you gotta keep doing that. Oh my god. This. Then you could like that. Then you want to just open up the blade, then get one of these. I'd recommend you putting this one down here, but if you want, you could put it anywhere. Wait, are you saying pant?
No, I'm saying pet.
Okay, then you did these last three.
Pet.
This one here, like that. Then, if you want, you could take these off, like that. Then just put it on. God dang it. God dang it, Rated. That. Then just put everything back together. Pet. 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 No. Pet. Then you just want that back on there. Then there you go. There's the Lego butterfly. This is a small life, but this is about half the size of this. Yeah, about half, pretty much half the size. Look, one, then you put it right there. There, god dang it, that, and the blade. It's still half the size of it, but I'll show you again. See? There's how I make a Lego butterfly knife. If you guys want more videos about the Lego things, tell me. Rated, say see ya. Rated, say bye.
Bye.
If you guys want more videos with Rated, and if you want Rated to sing next time, comment down below. See ya. Oh yeah, P.S. I might just add him in anyway, so yeah. Bye.